One of the things I love the most is when clients can envision the potential of a home. This home was on the market last year, and many buyers passed it up due to the fact that it didn't have a primary bedroom and bathroom on the main floor. My clients, Nicole and Adrian, have used their incredible vision and design skills over the last 12 months to make significant upgrades to this home, including a primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom that is so luxurious. Now that the remodel is complete, they're ready to pass on the benefits to somebody else. Welcome to my new listing at 2480 Sherman Avenue in Hood River, Oregon. Step inside to find a thoughtfully updated living space. Relax by the masonry fireplace with sleek new glass doors. This kitchen is a cook's delight, featuring quartz countertops, fresh windows, custom shaker cabinets, and a 5-burner gas cooktop. Enjoy the new bronze finishes and pendant lights that add a touch of class. The newly added primary suite is a true retreat, completed with hardwood floors and a spa-like bathroom. Indulge in the freestanding tub, open shower, and heated tile floors. Each detail from the light fixtures to the finishes is designed for your comfort. Downstairs, you will find an additional living space, 3 additional bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms. Stepping onto your new Trex deck, bordered by cedar railings, and enjoying your morning coffee with views of Mt.Adams and the Columbia River, all just minutes from town. The exterior updates include a new cedar fence, new gutters, and freshly maintained landscaping with drip irrigation. The spacious backyard is perfect for gatherings, featuring a circular fire pit and a private meadow. If you love the idea of being close to town and enjoying a home that feels brand new, Nicole and Adrian's vision may be the one for you.